everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are here with a case study regarding burglary. In Rajkot, jobless man tries hands at burglaries but in vain. About the case report, in Rajkot, four jobless youths who had earlier made vain attempts at breaking into a gold finance company and a nationalized bank were arrested just before they could make another similar strike in the city on late Monday night. Who caught that jobless youth? So while patrolling, the police noticed that four persons sitting in the dark near Field Marshal Chowk on 80-foot road and suspected that they having some liquor. However, on checking, they found several tools like cutters, hammers, and others too. So, on questioning, they confessed that they were planning to target some big factory or a bank and loot large amount of cash or the valuables. Those arrested were Ravi Chauhan, Anil Tavia, Vishal Dhalwania and Rahul Tavia. Their other two friends, Deepak Sarvia and Sahil Lohia, are yet to be arrested. Addressing reporters, H.M. Gadvi, the police inspector, Detection of Crime Branch (DCB), said that they were jobless for last 8 months and had no source of income, so they decided to take a burglar. Chauhan was the mastermind who was 27-year-old and was responsible for carrying out the race to strike. Chauhan used to work at the food stall while Tavia and Dhalwania worked at the adjacent tea stall in Rajkot about a year and a half ago. So they knew each other very well, and Rahul was to work as a farm laborer. Except Chauhan, who lives in Rajkot, all others are native of Modhuka village of the district Vinchya Taluka. So they were jobless since last 8 months and had no source of income, so they decided to take this step. And they very well know each other as they were working in the adjacent food stall and the tea stalls. And except the Chauhan, he lives in Rajkot and all others were native of the Modhuka village. Further on investigation, as they were without any work, the four got together earlier this month and decided to steal wires from the windmills. But Chauhan suggested that they should plan something big so that they get a huge amount of cash or the valuables at one go, said the officer H.M. Gadvi. However, the two failed attempts did not deter them as they were desperate for money. On Monday night, they gathered again and decided to break into either Rajkot Nagar Sahakari Bank or some big factory. Gadvi said, except Chauhan, who was earlier arrested in an offence under the Prohibition Act, none of other accused have any criminal background or crime records. Thank you for watching the video, and for more such case study, subscribe our channel Forensic Mart and press the bell icon to get notification of each and every upcoming case studies in the Forensic Mart.